Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Sony phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Xperia XZ1 Mark IV is a premium smartphone crafted for content creators who demand excellence in mobile photography and videography. This flagship device is equipped with a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED display that boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals with vivid colors and sharp details. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or editing photos and videos, the display provides an immersive experience that is second to none. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM, ensuring seamless performance for multitasking and resource-intensive applications. With 512GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, and 5G connectivity, this smartphone offers ample space and lightning-fast speeds to support your creative endeavors. The Xperia XZ1 Mark IV shines in its camera capabilities, featuring three 12-megapixel rear cameras, including a telephoto lens with continuous optical zoom. This setup allows for versatile and precise shooting, whether you're capturing portraits or landscapes. The phone's ability to record 4K HDR video at 120 frames per second on all rear lenses is a game-changer for videographers, offering exceptional detail and clarity. Real-time eye autofocus and object tracking ensure that your subjects are always in sharp focus, both in photos and videos. Additionally, the built-in live streaming feature caters to content creators and mobile gamers, allowing them to share their experiences in real time. With a 5000 mAh battery, the device provides reliable long-lasting power to keep up with your busy schedule. Its IP68 water resistance rating adds durability, protecting the device from water and dust. Overall, the Xperia XZ1 Mark IV is a top-tier choice for those who prioritize high-quality visuals, advanced camera features, and powerful performance in a smartphone, making it a compelling option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Xperia XZ1 Mark II is a compact yet powerful flagship smartphone designed for users seeking high performance and advanced features in a sleek portable form factor. It sports a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 21:9 cinema-wide aspect ratio, offering an immersive viewing experience that's perfect for movies and gaming. The display is complemented by a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals, while the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM, powers the device for seamless multitasking and high-end performance. With 128GB of internal storage, expandable via a microSD card slot, the phone provides ample space for apps, media, and more. Running on Android 10, it combines software efficiency with hardware prowess. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Xperia XZ1 Mark II's advanced triple-camera system, which includes three 12-megapixel sensors, a main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The camera system is enhanced with Zeiss optics, real-time IAF, and features like 20 frames per second burst shooting with AF and AE tracking. It also stands out as the world's first smartphone to offer 4K HDR video recording at 120 frames per second, along with 240 frames per second slow motion capture in 1080p, making it a formidable tool for creative content. The device's 4000 mAh battery supports both fast and wireless charging, ensuring the device stays powered throughout the day. It also retains a 3.5mm audio jack, catering to audiophiles who prefer wired headphones. With 5G connectivity, users can enjoy fast internet speeds, while the IP65 and 68 water resistance rating adds durability, making the phone resilient to water exposure. Overall, the Xperia XZ1 Mark II offers a premium experience with its robust performance, sophisticated camera capabilities, and stylish design. The Xperia XZ1 Mark V is a premium flagship smartphone that excels in photography and videography, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and equipped with 12GB of RAM, this device delivers top-tier performance, effortlessly handling multitasking and demanding tasks. With 256 gigabytes of internal storage, users have ample space for all their apps, photos, and videos. The phone runs on Android 13, offering the latest features and a smooth user experience. One of the standout features of this phone is its advanced camera system. It includes a triple camera setup with a revolutionary XMRT image sensor that excels in low-light conditions, capturing detailed and vibrant images. The S-Cinetone technology ensures accurate color reproduction, enabling users to create cinematic-quality videos. With true optical zoom capabilities and 4K HDR native 120 frames per second video recording, the Xperia 1 Mark V sets a new standard in mobile photography and videography. The device also features a stunning 6.5-inch 4K OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering crisp visuals and smooth scrolling. Additionally, its IP68 water and dust resistance provides durability, and 5G connectivity ensures fast and reliable wireless performance. The Xperia 1 Mark V is a powerhouse smartphone designed for those who demand the best in imaging, display quality, and overall performance. The Xperia XZ1 is a feature-packed smartphone that balances performance, design, and multimedia capabilities. It sports a 5.2-inch Full HD HDR tri-luminous display encased in a sleek rigid full-metal body, only 7.4 mm thick and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The device is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor with 4 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for most tasks. The 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD up to 256 GB, offers ample space for apps and media. One of the standout features of this phone is its 19-megapixel rear camera, equipped with Sony's Motion Eye system. This innovative camera captures high-resolution 3D images and rapid-fire burst shots and is known for producing impressive slow-motion videos. The front-facing 13-megapixel camera is no slouch either, offering high-sensitivity performance with a display flash for well-lit selfies. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the smart amplifier, S-Force front surround sound, and high-resolution audio support, which deliver an immersive audio experience. The phone also includes digital noise cancellation for clearer calls and media playback. Launched with Android Oreo, the Xperia XZ1 features an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, dual SIM capability, and compatibility with various GSM and LTE carriers. Although the 2,700 mAh battery may seem modest, the device's overall efficiency makes it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable feature-rich smartphone. The Xperia Pro I is a premium smartphone engineered for photography enthusiasts and professionals who seek the convenience of a smartphone without compromising on image quality. At its core, the phone boasts a groundbreaking 1-inch image sensor, a feature more commonly found in high-end compact cameras. This sensor significantly enhances low-light performance, allowing for crisp, detailed photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The phone's camera system includes optics with T-coating to reduce lens flare and ensure unparalleled image clarity. Additionally, the dual aperture feature lets users switch between f2.0 and f4.0, offering greater control over depth of field and light intake. Beyond its camera capabilities, the device excels in performance and display quality. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset and 12 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The 6.5-inch OLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR support, provides a vivid and responsive viewing experience. With 512 GB of internal storage, 5G connectivity, and dual SIM capability, this device is designed for both power users and professionals who need reliability on the go. The Xperia Pro I is also built to endure, with an IP65 and IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, making it a versatile tool for photographers in any environment. In essence, the Xperia Pro I is more than just a smartphone, it's a sophisticated tool designed for photography enthusiasts who demand unparalleled image quality and performance on the go.